Hi everyone. I would like to share again my beautiful baby collection, my pink lilies. Actually, they have names, but I don't remember what is really their names. So later, I'll give the right name of my beautiful and lovely lily collection. Ayan. They are in full blooms. I'm so happy indeed. Beautiful. I'm so happy and glad for their beauties this summer. Yan, my 2-year-old lilies. I planted last year. Now it's blooming overload. My happiness and my joy. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Love and Ski. Please subscribe for more. Beautiful. Oh, so happy.